Okay, so we've now talked about how to enter products, delete products, change products, and to do the same for our categories and our product types as well. So the next tab I'm going to move on to is just the customers tab. So this is where if you just need a customer's phone number or email address quickly, you can look it up in here. You can also sort them by name or by email address in alphabetical order. Or you can export them all into an Excel document so that you can then pop them into your MailChimp or email marketing system, basically. Okay, you can, yeah, okay. Babbling. All right, next tab is promotions. So the first one under here is the discount coupons. So this is where you might set up free shipping a coupon in here. You might set up a VIP discount of 10% when they first sign up. You might set up a one-time use code for a gift voucher for somebody, all those different types of things. And you can choose whether you want it to be a dollar amount, a discount amount, or free shipping. Okay, so it's very, very simple to add one. You just add new coupon and just sort of fill in these details here. And you can also set the time that it is activated, the time that it goes to, and you can pause it as well, and also set as many, whether it's a single use, whether each person can use it once, whether everyone can use it multiple times, that kind of thing. Okay, so the next section I'm going to go to is just discounts. So you might want to say, look, we've got 10% off everything in store this weekend only. So you can set that up in this section. You just need to add a discount. Actually, I haven't done this bit before, so I'm just reading it. So you can do it based on subtotals. So maybe it's, spend $200 and we'll give you 20% off or something like that. You can also do it based on customer groups. So you might have normal customers and then people that want you have as wholesalers that you sell to. So you might say wholesalers get 50% off all of my products because they then need to on-sell that to their customers. So you can also do that based on the customer group as well as the subtotal. So they might have to spend $500 in order to get that discount. Okay, so that is this one. You can also add a free Facebook store that is connected to all of the stock that you have in this store. So you just set it up via this, and it will actually talk you through how to actually set it up. But if it's confusing at all, you just give me an email. And then we have marketplaces as well. So this is for those more advanced users that would like to connect their shop to things like Google Shopping, eBay Shopping, Amazon, that kind of thing. These type things, you have to pay a fair bit of money to be able to put your products into the Google Shopping section. And so if you pay to have your products as part of Google Shopping, when somebody types in that they're looking for a specific product, and if your product matches that description, then you would actually see it in the Google Shopping section, which is very handy for people who just want to just purchase it. They don't want to shop around. They just want to go, bang, yep, great, I'll grab it from that store. But as I said, these are paid sort of apps that you can set up, and they're a little bit more expensive, so they're for medium-sized businesses. Okay, so we've done all of our tabs here. Now I'm going to take you to the shipping section, because that's something that you quite often have to change when the postal system decides to put their prices up. So if I go over here to system settings, I have all these new ones underneath here that I can go to, as well as new ones under here that I can go to. So I'm just to show you, I've set up all of these ones for this particular client here. I've set up the formats and units and everything, languages, cart, that kind of thing. But what we're going to concentrate on right now is the shipping. Okay, And so I've already previously set up shipping rates for this client. And we've done it for Dubai-based couriers, Dubai-based standard delivery, UK, and rest of the world. So to change any of these, all you need to do is click on any of them and it will come into that section. So you can see that it's based on weight, and it's only based on, oh yeah, so you can do it by subtotal or by weight. And then so you pop in, so anything that is from 0 to 0.5, she's charging 45 AED, okay? And then so anything from, so this is kilos, remember, so this is 501 grams by, oh sorry, 510 grams actually, by saying 0.51, and so that costs 70 dirham. And then so there's also a little thing here that we can tell the customer how long it's going to take for it to get there, roughly estimated time that is. And then you just press OK, and you can change the name of the shipping method here, and you can change the region. If you put the wrong region in, you can change it back here. And then just press OK. And then make sure that you've also got your origin address set in here. Okay, let's just go through, oh, and if you want to add a new shipping method, you just click new shipping method, select the region. If you haven't already set up the region that you want to set up, you can create a new one here. And then we can either do it via carrier calculated, and it only actually has a certain amount of postal systems, but one of the great ones is Australia Post, as long as they keep their prices up to date. But yeah, so you can just let that be automatic. You can have a flat rate. If you say, look, everything on my site, it's just $5 for postage, that's fine too. We can have a custom table, which is what we used for all of these. Okay, so I'm going to close out of that. Right. So, oh, no, I don't wish to save those changes. So this is the zones that we were talking about with the shipping as well. So if you want to set them separately in there, you can. We also have taxes if you need to apply those in your country, payments. So at the moment we have PayPal enabled, and that's the only one we have enabled. To pop in, all you need to do is pop in your PayPal email address that you use on the PayPal account, and it will automatically connect it into your PayPal. There's other ones, so if you want to be able to do credit card offline, so they just pop in their credit card details, and then you type them into, you might have an app, you might have one of those handheld PayPal processors, you might have a till, you might have an FPOS machine, something like that. So if you want to do that, that's totally fine as well. And then there's all these different other forms as well, so phone order, and then a few others as well. And so they have different types as well, so you can choose a payment processor in any of these. Okay. Design. If you want to, if you know anything about CSS editing, then you can change things like the fonts and the colors of your store, so that's just the store, not your actual website. Okay, so I've made a few little changes of the color of the font and the size of the font. In the section, you can set up different notifications that you'll get from the website when somebody makes a payment, and also emails that go to the client, to the customer when they've purchased something. Can I change that? No, I need to change that. Okay. Social tools. If you want to plug in any of these type social tools which people can share with, then you can enable those. And then API is a more advanced system, so if you wanted to plug in, for example, your what's it called, accounting software, so that it all gets transferred straight into your accounting software. You can do that all through here. I don't actually do this side of things, but I can recommend somebody who does. Okay, and then we've just got over here, I'm just going to the last tab here and just showing, oh, that's not her email address. Just showing that you can change other settings in here. Let's change that. Okay, and that's it. That's how you do everything. And I think I've covered everything on those. Sorry for being a bit staccato in the last bit. Thanks, bye.